Sí. Si igual será comisionista, el primer producto de un lado. El segundo más caro, el segundo el doble, el tercero el casi.
If you got a pesos, but if you need dollar, the exchange is 19 pesos, $1, 1 peso more. For the reason, the exchange today is 18 pesos, $1. Okay? Now, to the right, this is the 80th Street. Amigos, where we can find to the 80th Street? A lot of people ask for bottle of tequila, bottle of mezcal, bottle of vanilla, salsas, chips, and more. Everything you're looking for right here. Left side, in that mall, local mall, we don't got a big Burger King, McDonald's, you know, but we got a tacos, tortas, quesadillas, burritos, empanadas, chimichangas, seafood, and Maya lunch, cochinita, okay? And the last two blocks is the public beach, is the tourist area. For that reason, right there, we got a cruise ship today. The Posero Restaurant, if you want to take a very good picture, is free. It's right there, the water. Also, right here, we got a places if you want to play basketball, if you want to play baseball, if you want to play football, if you want to play volleyball, and of course, we got one place if you practice the skate. Now, if you show the cruise ship ID, we got one gym on the beach. Vikingo Gym. The Vikingo Gym for the tourist people come with the cruise ship is 1 hour free. You don't need to pay nothing. Only if you, maybe you think, oh Fernando, but when I go to the beach, right there the restaurant's got a bathroom, but right here I need a bathroom because, you know, maybe I want to buy my beers or my food and come here in this area. It's very relaxing time, but I need a bathroom. The wood houses, you see, the wood houses is a bathroom. The price is only 5 pesos or in US dollar price 20 cents. It's much better if you change only $1 for pesos and you got a 5 pesos for use the bathroom here. But we got a palapas, tables on the beach, we got a bathroom, we got a place if you want to play, we got the gym. And how many people are married here? You're married? You got on the beach also. In a few seconds you see to the right one church on the beach. That church is free if somebody want to marry and this sport, you know, because if you want a divorce, you know, whatever place is great. But if somebody want to marry, we got the church right there on the beach. Ladies and gentlemen, Carnival Valor today, if you don't know, stop in one of the more longest pier around the world at the ocean. Time ago, this place was only like a fishing village. Thank you. I need my palapa only. I go to the Oxxo, you pay $7 for the 6-pack. $1 for one chip, $1 for water, $1 for Coca-Cola. You know? Very good price because you pay the local price. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, looks the price of the gasoline in this place. Green color, regular gas, 23.99 cents. Premium plus 25 pesos 94 cents. And diesel in Chicago. Why? Because we pay expensive gas. You gotta go to your country, believe me. $3 to 80 to 90. We wish pay that money. Believe me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my local Golden Gate Bridge. And everybody right here to the right, we got a boat if you wanna rent a boat and make the party, or if you like to fish it. We got a small, medium, and big size. How much is the price if you wanna rent a boat? The system is a 6 to 8 hour service. A small size, the price is the $200, $300 to 4 or 500. Medium size, $350, $370 to $600, $700. And big size, the price is the $600 to $2,000. Too much expensive. But what included when you rent a boat like this? Included water, Coca-Cola, beer, one bottle of alcohol you drink, Mexican lunch. If you fishing, when you catch the first fish, the captain made the ceviche. Now, if you want to take a very good picture, this is your opportunity. Because to the right, we got the mangrove water. To the left side, we got the sea water. If you want to swim it today, which water do you prefer? Sea water or mangrove water? If you want to marry, my recommendation, sea water. On the beach right there, you know, like a honeymoon day with your wife, amazing day. But if you are alone, like me, you can come here with me to the right. You can take your kayak, I take my kayak, but don't scare when you feel the breeze because the kayak moves. When the kayak moves, if you go to the water, we need to come here very fast, deep, and like at this island. Why? Because the water got alligators, you know? And the alligator loves the US flavor and the Mexican flavor too. You see, American flavor tastes like a what? Like a chicken? Like a taco meal? No, like a chicken.